that are writing these laws that we don't understand. So what happens? You are required, if you want good results, to hire a lawyer to help you understand the law. When you go in front of that judge, and we hear all the lawyer jokes about ambulance chasers and the bad things about lawyers, but there are some good ones out there. But what is a judge? Isn't a judge just another lawyer with 5 or more years of adversarial experience? And you say, well, adversarial, what do you mean by adversarial? Well, right, wrong, good, bad, likes you, doesn't like you, likes what you're wearing, likes what you're saying, doesn't like what you're saying, likes your attitude, doesn't like your attitude. So as we break that silence about domestic violence, we also need to break the silence of how our laws are written, so the people that are creating, that are causing domestic violence, know ahead of time what's going to happen and know not to do it. This needs to be taught early. And then, and most of all, our legislature must write laws that we can all understand. Couldn't afford attorneys. I'm already paying over $1,000 a month for child support. I also had to pay for alimony, and I've got to afford an attorney also. I couldn't do it.
Yeah, the system doesn't make it where you can represent yourself and you can't determine clearly what the laws are so that you can abide by them.
They have no support. Many of them can't do anything better than just go back with that person that's causing the domestic violence.
Right.
And that is where we need to break that silence, as you're saying, so we can stop the violence everywhere. And that starts in our schools, because we learn from the schools what goes forward. And whether we like it or not, I learned a lot from my children when they went to school. Of course, I helped them with their homework, but I saw some of the things that they were learning and seeing. We need to make sure that we're all doing that, so that we're learning that from the schools to the parents as well.
Advocacy. And so when we can all kind of unite and shore up those gaps that are happening within the system, I think it just promotes a whole lot better atmosphere for victims as well.
I'm with you. And how many times do our teachers don't know what to do, and our teachers themselves have fear because
Right.
they don't want to break the law.